some of today's wheat harvesting giants can carry up to 32 meters cubics of grain, unload at 650 liters per second, and the largest traditional combines have already reached 775 horsepower with 20,000-liter grain tanks. When these machines charge across a field, it no longer feels like ordinary harvesting, but like a full mobile factory, swallowing an ocean of wheat. If pure scale is the main criterion, the Nexat fitted with the Nexco harvesting module stands in a world of its own, with a 15-meter header, a 32 liters cube of grain tank, a 650 liter per second unload rate, and a carrier platform powered by two 550 horsepower engines. This is no longer a conventional self-propelled combine, but a giant modular harvesting system that the company itself describes as the biggest combine ever built. The AF11 is the #1 contender if the list only includes conventional self-propelled combines with 775 horsepower, a 20,000-liter grain tank, a 210 liter per second unload rate, and a dual rotor layout. Case IH also describes it as the highest total capacity combine the brand has ever built, especially strong in small grains like wheat. The Axial Flow 9260 is a very serious opening machine with up to 625 horsepower, a 14,440 liter grain tank, and a 159 liter per second unload rate. It may not be the wildest machine, but it absolutely delivers an American large acre wheat harvest field. Powerful, steady, durable, and perfect for long cinematic runs across wide fields. Love truly gigantic machines, subscribe right from the start, because the deeper this list goes, the more their size will push beyond imagination. The Lexion 8600 Terra trac carries a strong European identity, 598 horsepower and a grain tank option of 15,000 liters. Its biggest visual advantage is the Terra trac system, which makes it look planted, smooth, and heavy on the field, giving the impression of a premium combine cutting wheat with a very clean, confident rhythm. The fendt Ideal 9T looks cleaner than its true scale suggests because it is already a very large tracked combine with 647 horsepower, a 17,100 liter grain tank, and a 210 liter per second unload rate. What makes it so appealing is that it never tries too hard visually, yet the more you film it, the more its modern design, long body, and ultra-smooth harvesting character stand out. The Lexion 8700 Terra trac moves into the zone where grain tank size alone starts to feel intimidating, with 646 horsepower and a tank capacity that can reach 18,000 liters. perfect machine for high-yield wheat, reducing unloading stops and looking especially impressive in drone shots tracking its long body, a sea golden drop. The Lexion 8800 Terra track feels dense and powerful, with 700 horsepower and a grain tank of up to 18,000 liters. It is not just large, but genuinely intimidating once it enters the field, especially in close shots around the center body and during unloading, where it clearly looks like a machine built for serious heavy-duty work. The John Deere X9 1000 clearly represents the new era of high-capacity combines, with 630 horsepower, a standard 14,800-liter grain tank, an optional capacity of about 19,381 liters, and a 162.1 liter per second unload rate. Its biggest strength is long harvesting runs with fewer stops, making it ideal for wide, flat wheat fields. AF9 marks the point where Case IH pushes its single rotor concept into a much larger class. With 634 horsepower, a 16,000-liter grain tank, and an unload rate of 210 liters per second, or 159 liters per second in an alternate configuration. It suits high-yield wheat extremely well because it is big, powerful, and still keeps that direct, forceful Case IH harvesting character. The new Holland CR11 is a large next-generation flagship with 634 horsepower, a 16,000-liter grain tank, and a 4.5 bushel per second unload rate. What makes it so interesting is the new twin rotor approach, which aims to preserve grain quality while pushing productivity much higher, giving it a very modern, clean, and efficient feel in large wheat fields. The Lexion 8900 Terra trac is the top model in Class Assault 8000 range, with 790 horsepower, an 18,000-liter grain tank, and a 180 liter per second unload rate. It looks spectacular on camera thanks to its huge body, massive track system, and the way it seems to swallow wheat in thick, uninterrupted volume, exactly like the European combine built for the biggest farms and contractors. The ideal 10T is Fendt's top track combine with 790 horsepower, a 17,100-liter grain tank, and a 210 liter per second unload rate. What makes it impressive is that it is enormous without feeling it, instead giving off a refined, modern, highly controlled presence, like a quiet monster built for hard work throughout the wheat season. The X9 1100 is one of the most formidable wheat combines on the market today, with 690 horsepower, a standard 16,210-liter grain tank, an optional capacity of about 19,381 liters, and a 186.7 liter per second unload rate. Deere also says this model can reach up to 30 acres per hour in wheat under internal test conditions, which gives it a very clear ultra-productivity identity. If you still cannot decide which machine deserves the crown, drop the rank number or model name in the comments, because from the top 5 upward, almost every machine is already in full mechanical monster territory. The AF-10 is Case IH's single rotor monster, boasting 775 horsepower, a 20,000 liter grain hopper, and a discharge rate of 210 liters per second. These 3 specifications alone demonstrate that it's no longer just an ordinary large combine harvester, but a machine designed to devour wheat fields with incredibly heavy and efficient work. The CR11 is the flagship of New Holland's new twin rotor generation. With 775 horsepower, a 20,000 liter grain tank, and unload rates of up to 6 bushels per second, it is extremely well suited to very large-scale wheat harvesting because New Holland positions it around maximum productivity, lower grain loss, and longer working time between unloads. Out of these 15 machines today, which one impressed you the most? And what do you want to see next? Top corn harvesters, soybean combines, high horsepower tractors, or giant potato harvesters? Leave your next topic in the comments and subscribe so you do not miss videos about the most powerful, largest, and most advanced machines in the world.